In this episode of Kitchen Dads, we're gonna do roasted cauliflower buffalo bites. A lot of flavor without all the fat. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Cliff and welcome to Kitchen Dads, where we're all about fun and food and family. We make a lot of food that's good for your soul and food that's good for your body and a whole bunch that's in between. So here at Kitchen Dads, we always talk about food that's good for your soul and food that's good for your body, and this is one of those that's in between. We're getting a lot of flavor, but we're not using wings, we're using cauliflower, so we get some of the health benefits of that. It still tastes great. The first thing we need to do is take a head of cauliflower and we're gonna cut it up. Now the best way to do this is turn it over and insert your knife at a 45. Right? You're gonna cut away from yourself and you're gonna circle the entire cauliflower. Eventually this whole piece is just gonna pop out and then we're able to cut the cauliflower pieces up. So now we've got the center out, we want to go ahead and we want to take these cauliflower pieces into kind of some uniform pieces. You can break them up with your hands if you like, or you can just use a knife and you can cut them. Just cut, and the cauliflower will fall apart, all right? Cut the stems, and the cauliflower just falls apart. Then you can break them up with your hands, right? If you have some big ends, don't worry about it. You can cut it off a little bit, and don't try to make all the pieces uniform. It's not gonna happen. So all our cauliflower is cut up now, and we're gonna put it into a bowl, and we're gonna coat it with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna mix them well with our hands to make sure they're all coated. So all of our cauliflower now has been coated. We're gonna transfer it to a baking sheet. Before we do, we need to oil the baking sheet. Now you can use cooking spray. I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna brush it. Whatever you do, just make sure that it's coated well. So we're gonna put these on our baking sheet now. We're gonna spread them out and we're gonna stick them in the oven, 450 degrees, and we're gonna bake them for about 12 to 15 minutes. So while the cauliflower is in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and make the sauce. Now we're gonna combine 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of your favorite hot sauce, or they have some nice buffalo sauces out there, the juice of about a 1/4 lemon, and then a little bit garlic powder to taste, probably about a quarter teaspoon. When the cauliflower comes out, we're gonna mix this all together. We're gonna pop it back in the oven for 5 minutes and then we're gonna enjoy. Use some tongs. It's gonna be hot, but it's gonna be good. Look at those brown spots. Now you know those brown spots are caramelization. Some people think that this is burnt and it's not any good. That's what actually gives it lots and lots of flavor. So we're gonna toss this. Just go ahead, we're gonna put them back on the tray. And we're gonna stick in the oven for about 2 minutes just to warm them back up and then crisp up a little bit. You can eat them just like this. What I like to do is have my favorite yogurt-based, either ranch or blue cheese, for dipping. Lots of flavor. It's healthy, it's not greasy. I think you'll like them. Give them a shot.